Good morning, all students. Today we are going to conduct one practical on CNC machine, on CNC programming. That practical is for your syllabus of manufacturing process. Now, in that syllabus, the practical is having one operation, a simple operation for second year mechanical engineering students. That operations I have here drawn. In that, here one product of 80 by 80 millimeter. Now for that, here CNC milling operation is to be carried out. So for that, before going to start our CNC machine, it is necessary to how to prepare the programming. For that programming, how to prepare the programming before going to start that programming. Here some G coding, M coding, some specification that is important or that is related with only this job. Having some specification I have here already written. The specification in which G specification G21, that is the input in millimeter. So the G21, whatever mean here in the programming G21, at that time all the students you understand that that specification is nothing but input in millimeter. Now next G94, that is the feed per minute, that is another specification. Next G91, that is the incremental programming. Next one is the G21, G28, that is come towards the return original position, that is the G28. Next M06, that is the tool change. Here on the CNC machine, number of tools. Now out of that, which tools you are going to be selected for that here specifications, that is the M06. Next M03. In your programming M03, that is nothing but that is the specification of spindle is on. Next G19 accident programming, G54 work coordinate system selection, and G43 tool length compensation, M05 spindle stop, G00, that is the rapid linear position, G01 and M09. Now this is your object. For this object, here CNC milling machines. For that, here operation is in which having the 2 millimeter is her depth, a small cut having the dimension 2 millimeter, and this is your specification in front of you. This is the specification in another view. Now how to write down the program for that? Here the first is the program name. Here for P is the specification for program, and this is the 1001 in the some naming. Instead of that, you can write any one, 2001, 201, whatever may be. This is the first program number 1001. Next, some specification. Here the series N01, N02, N03. Next N01 is the first operation in which G21, G94. What is that? Here already explained that G21 and G94. G21 is the input in millimeter. Now G94, that is the feed per minute. Now some in this programming, some steps, 4 to 5 steps, that are the initial steps before actual start the program. That is very important in every programming. That is the first, that is the G21, G94 specification having the input in millimeter, and this is the feed. Next, the second step, that is the G91, G28, X0, Y0, Z0. That is the G91 incremental programming, and G28 return to its original position. Now this is your second step. Next, third, that is the tool, and M06, that is the tool change. Now here number of tools are available in the CNC machine. At the time of practical, I have seen, I will say to all the students, that is the M06 is the change toward the tool. I have here select the tool number 5, that is the T05. Next, that is the M03, and yes, that is the speed in 1500, and M03, that is the spindle is on having the speed is given 1500, that is the specification. Next G90, G54, G00X0Y0, that is the G90, that is nothing but here absolute programming, and G54 work coordinate system selection, with this step in which you are going to be selected the coordinate system, that is the G54. Next G43, M05, Z10. This G43 is again the specification, that is the tool length compensation, and M05, that is the spindle stop. Now next Z10. What is the specification Z10? Now your target is to set here tool at this point. Now before going to start this point, your actual tool is here. This is your coordinate system, X system, here Y system, here two coordinate system I have here explained. Now from this point your target is this point to move tool here. Now for that movement, what is the specification? Having the coordinate system X is equal to 20 and this Y distance is also 20. Now this step, in this step here G00X20Y20 means you are going to be start your tool from this position to this position. Now from this point you are going to start the actual operation. Now how to start that operation? Your operation in which, that is the depth having the 2 millimeter cut. Now for that here given the next step, that is the G01, Z-2 and Y20. Now G01 I have already explained, linear feed interpolation. Z-2 means the whatever may be the depth, that is the Z-2 is nothing but below, and Z plus is nothing but in upward direction. Now your target is to groove having the depth is equal to Z 2 millimeter, that is the below. Therefore your specification is Z-2 and Y20. So Y20 in the sense here the position of the tool is here. From that you are going to start the operation. Now next position here, this position. Now for that position the specification having X is equal to 20 and Y is equal to how much? This 20 plus 40, that is the 60. So next specification X is equal to 20 and Y is equal to 60. Now the movement of the tool starting from this to this to this. Now next movement is equal to this movement. Now at this system, at this point, what is the specification for X coordinate? That is the 20 plus 40. This is the 60 and Y is equal to 60. So next G01 is the same operation, X 60 and Y 60. Now where is the position? Now here. Now from that next here. Now at this point the specification X is equal to 60 and Y is equal to 20. Therefore your X is equal to 60, Y is equal to 20. Now from that point return to here. At this point X is equal to 20, Y is equal to 20. This is the X is equal to 20, Y is equal to 20. Now from this point, from this N is equal to 12, and from this point here operation having the specification is G01. But G01 is nothing but I have already explained linear feed interpolation. Means at this point you are going to be start the working of the tool having the depth is equal to Z is equal to -2 for all the operation from N08 to N12 having depth is equal to means Z is equal to -2, and the position of X and Y changes. Here there are 4 changes. First, second, third, fourth. Starting from this point, first is X20, Y20. Next X20, Y60. Next X60, Y60. Next one is the X60, Y20, and now return to the X20, Y20. Now after that, this N12 to N8. Next position is G00Z plus 10. So Z plus 10 means whatever is the position of the tool. At this point, you will move the position of the tool in upward direction. When therefore the specification is given Z10 and G00. Next operation is the M09. What is the specification? Whatever may be the coolant, that is to be off. Next M05, that is the spindle is the stop, and last operation same G91, G28. Next G91, G28, X0, Y0, and M is equal to 30. That is the last step. Having the specification, M is equal to 30. Next, your program is off. Now, in this way, your programming for this here operation having starting from this point, these 4 steps, and having the depth is equal to 2 mm. This is your simple first programming. By second year point of view, all the students of mechanical engineering, you must understand that how to write down the programming for the CNC milling machine. Now how to for that program, how to run actual on the CNC machine, you are going to be watch next part.
Next position is X20,
Y20 program. Now in the programming, this is the notification
X20,
here already.
Y20.
That is the 0
Next,
2013. Now how
having
to write
the
down the program?
specification
Here,
Z is equal to
here
plus
this is
10.
the downward.
Hence,
So after
here
downward,
stop
this is
the
your second
program
step. Now
and
in
cutting
second
of
step,
2 mm
already
tape.
I have
This
given
is
the
your
programming to all of you. So in that programming, your first, that is the G21 and G94. This is the incremental. This is the in millimeter, whatever may be the dimensions, and G94 is the feet per minute. Now after that, next step is the G91. Now G91 is next step. This is G91, G28, X0, Y0, Z0. Now how to write down here? Suppose here G21. Now how to write? Suppose I have once again write down here G, here 21. Now next G20 already. How to cut that? For that here operation is the delete. Now for this delete option, we cut this G21. Are you understand? Now next is the G94. Now if you are writing some G94, here G94, but already here G94, that will be deleted like this, G94. Next, end of the block or next step like this. This G91, G28, X0, Y0, Z0. Next third step is the M4, that is the M03, S1500. Next is the G90, G54, G00, X0, Y0, Z0. Next specification X20, Y20 is first position. Next. So in this way, last is the M30. This is the end of the block. At that time, your program is to be over. So this specification you must be remember. Now how to work after writing the program by this programming, how to run this machine. So that is also important thing. Here already back this. Though this is your workpiece. Here having the specification is like this. This is your workpiece like this. Now in this workpiece, your dimension is 20, 40, and 20. Okay. So in that, here again 20, 40, and 20. So in that, your first specification is P1. Means what is the P1? So P1 is nothing but having the specification X20 and Y20 like this. Next P2, here for this X is equal to 20 and Y is equal to 60. Next step. Now in this incremental stage, you are going to be cut this object having the depth is equal to how much? 2 millimeter. Now for that, here already workpiece is here located here. Now to start the programming, here for starting this programming, first is your home position. Now how to start the home position? For that, here home, here auto, and here start. Now at that time the position is, that is the position is home position. Now how to convert that home position? For that, here now this is the home
next auto, next start, job, start. Now some incremental changes. So this is the coordinate system. Now in this coordinate system, this specification is the plus, this specification is minus, this specification is minus. So plus is nothing but the home position. For the home position, here specification for the length is x is equal to plus 44, y is equal to minus 120 and z is equal to minus 113. These are the position, home position. Now how to work for that? Now how to run by using this program? Whatever will be the procedure for that doing a 2 mm cut. Now for that operation you are going to be here start. Now how to start? For that here first the home position, here home, auto and start. Now here was this. First the position of the tool is come toward the x0, y0, z0. This is the position. Next x20, y20. Now from that point here starting the cutting of depth 2 mm from x20, y20 to next position P2. Here from first position P1, your tool is start towards the P2. Now for the P2 position is x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 60. This is the P2. Next position is the P3. Now the movement of the tool is traveling along the x direction. Having the position P3, the coordinate system x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 60. Now the tool is reaches towards x60, y60. This is the third position P3. Now from P3 the tool is moved towards the point P4 having the coordinate system x is equal to 60 and y is equal to 20. The moment of the tool is traveling from P3 to P4. This is the position of P4 having the coordinates x 60, y 60. Next position is x20, y20. x20, y20. Next tool is move up having the specification z is equal to plus 10. Hence here stop the program and cutting of 2 mm depth. This is your